Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we are making shito, Ghanaian favorite black shito or black pepper, and these are our ingredients to make this recipe. First of all, we'll blend all of these ingredients like the onions, pepper, garlic, ginger, and we introduce some rosemary as well. Now let's add some water and blend this until everything is very smooth, and this is what we achieve. Now let's go ahead and introduce some tomato paste into our oil on fire, and then we stir this gently until everything is well fried or well cooked, because we want to achieve something just like this. Okay, now let's introduce all of our blended ingredients just like this, and now we have to reduce the heat to medium to low. Yes, because we don't want to cook this on a very high and not too low too as well. Now that we have done this, we are going to leave this to simmer for a few minutes, and then we come back to stir. You have to continue stirring this. You do not want to leave it on the fire just like that, else it will get burnt as well. Yes, you do not want to have a very bitter black pepper. That wouldn't be nice, and that wouldn't taste great as well. Alright, now that we have this, which is still on a very low to medium heat, yes, we are going to introduce some Maggi tablet just like this. If you do not like this, it's optional, you can just take it out. We added some curry powder and also salt as well. We stir this and we leave it again to simmer for a few minutes. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and please stay with me and let's get this done. Okay, I want some extra heat, so I introduce some pepper and also the fish powder later on. Okay, now we stir this gently, and note the heat is still on low to medium, and we want to leave this to simmer for a few minutes. We stir, you can see the color is changing gradually. You do not want to let it become very black before you take it off the fire. You know, before you take it off, this is our shrimp powder, okay? So before you take it off, you have to let it, there'll be some heat in it, okay? So it will cook while it's off the fire. So you do not want it to be too black before you take it off, because after it finished cooking or after the heat goes down, it will become very black, and it will become very bitter. Yes, so that is the secret. Yes, so this is just perfect, and let's allow it to cook for 12 hours, and this is what we've achieved. You can see the color have become a little bit dark. So imagine getting it like this from the fire. Before it cools down, it will become very black. That is if you want it that way, but if you do not like that, then just stick to this, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell notification icon so you do not miss any video next time. Like, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.